Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nazia Ijaz. I'm an artist and you're watching Momina's Mixed Plate. Please subscribe.
Thank you so much for taking our time and
Thank you for
it
having
is
me.
it's an actual honor.
This is lovely for me to be here as well, to sit with you.
Thank you so much.
you.
And now, since we're talking about her songs, I have a really fun segment. So, guys, what I'm doing with Nazia Appa is that I'm going to be doing this is my segment called Guess the Song. So, what I've done is I've taken 3 of Madam Noor Jahan's songs and I've translated them into English.
Oh my God.
And you are going to guess which
Yeah,
song.
we're going to try and guess.
Okay.
Oh my God.
This is going to be fun. Now, आपका असल इम्तिहान आ गया।
असल हमारी है कि इंग्लिश कितनी आती है और गाने कितने आते
गाने
हैं।
कितने actually पता है गाने कितने आपको अच्छे आते हैं?
I hope you haven't picked obscure numbers.
No.
I've
They're actually very Acha, number 1. Just the other night I awoke, quietly keep weeping just the other night, and in another land, sleeping in peace, my beloved sleeping in peace.
Oh my God, if you give me a shorter bit. Just
Okay, chale. आप पहला मुखड़ा ले लें.
You've done a literal translation? Is it a literal translation?
It's not a...
It needs to be a literal translation.
It is a literal.
It's a literal.
Pretty,
The other night.
Just the other night, I awoke quietly weeping.
अगली राती हंजू पड़ती कौन सा गाना है वो दिल दे में बुए खोले नैना दिया बारी है that song सजना रात तेरा नहीं
चांदनी रातें पिछली रात में हम उठकर चुपके रोए.
That's in the middle of the song.
Yes.
That's not fair. Yeah, I thought you were going to give me the title of the song.
No, I'm not giving you the title of the song.
Okay.
This is very easy. This is actually one of my favorites also. He called me on the bridge of the canal.
नहर वाले पुल पे.
नहर वाले पुल पे.
One of my favorites again.
The aroma of that amorous henna still lingers in my memory.
हमारी सासों ने henna की खुशबू
आज तक महक रही है.
In this song also I know very well because मेरी बहन का नाम henna है. तो जब माँ गा के आई थी तो स्पेशली सुनाया था कि ये गाना गाया कि उसमें henna का नाम है.
Hi, sweet. But anyways, you did really well.
I got 2. 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. But Chandni Raate, I didn't want to
But that was cheating. You didn't give me the tagline of the song. You give me in the middle of the song.
I know, I did. I was trying to be sneaky in the first round.
And that's one of my favorite songs.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song. It's also one of my favorites. Yeah.
Yeah.
Achha, so I mean, your entire show in Karachi was based on these. It was titled Love Letters, and it were glimpses of her throughout your life and her.
Well, I call the show Love Letters. This was, I suppose, a love letter from me to her. जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तो तकरीबन हर 2 हफ्ते बाद उनकी एक चिट्ठी आती थी मुझे उर्दू में लिखी हुई, beautifully handwritten, and I would sit in the corridor reading, and these friends of mine would be passing and they'd say, पहले तो वो रुक जाती थी because the writing was so beautiful.
Yeah.
Then they asked me to translate. I'd translate a line or two, or माँ, melodramatic the way she was, वो तो लिखती थी जान आप याद आ रही हैं, जान आपके बगैर, वो इस तरह करके लिखती थी मुझे. So they would just laugh and say, these are like love letters. Yeah. And they used to joke about it. Nazi is reading one of the love letters.
Yeah.
वो हर हफ्ते मैं बैठी होती थी चिट्ठी लेकर. She used to send it directly to college.
Okay.
So not to my residence hall, पर वो college में आती थी. So that's how it stayed with me. And then जब मैंने इरादा किया कि मैं उनके ऊपर काम करूँगी, I suppose this work has been pending for 18 years. Yeah. Or maybe I've been doing this work for 18 years, but now it came into its physicality. Yeah. So this again became important. This then became like the idea of my writing a love letter to her at this point. So these are some glimpses of my sense of her. जो उनका एहसास मेरे साथ रहता है, उसकी कुछ झलकियाँ हैं किस्म की.
अच्छा, आपकी favorite memory? What was your favorite memory of your mother that you? I'm sure there must be many, but something that you very fondly remember.
Okay, I'll tell you this memory. My sisters would probably kill me for it. क्योंकि हर बच्चा चाहता है ना कि आपको किसी तरह पता है कि मुझे ज़्यादा प्यार
क्या कहती है?
So एक मरतबा मैं कॉलेज से वापस आई थी. I was touring in India. और माँ लाहौर में थी. She wasn't really well. वो हुमा जी के यहाँ ठहरी हुई थी because I wasn't there. So for some reason I decided to cut my trip short and come back early. ईद थी या क्या आने वाली थी, तो मैंने कहा मैं जाके सरप्राइज़ कर देती हूँ. मेरा दिल नहीं लग रहा था, मैं वापस आ गई. तो मैं हुमा जी के घर बाहर पहुंची तो हुमा जी मुझे कहती है अंदर मत जाना, शी इज़ अ हार्ट पेशेंट, शी सेड लेट मी ब्रेक इट जेंटली टू माँ के तुम आ गई हो। तो वो गई माँ को बताने और मैं दरवाजे के बाहर खड़े होकर ना जस्ट पीपिंग इन। तो माँ मुँह हाथ धो रही थी अपना, तो हुमा जी खड़ी होकर आवाज़ देती कि माँ दुनिया में आपकी सबसे प्यारी चीज़ क्या है? तो उन्होंने सुना नहीं, पूछा उन्होंने क्या, कहती दुनिया में आपकी सबसे प्यारी चीज़ क्या है? तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हर वॉकिंग आउट ऑफ द बाथरूम sort of drying her face with the towel and just looking up at Huma ji and saying, Tina आई है? Well, she used to call me Tina. So I remember to this date, you know, it makes me like, oh, it makes my heart so big.
That's actually quite like heartwarming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So so it, and she didn't know I was watching. मैं तो दरवाजे के बाहर खड़ी थी. So yeah, that makes me feel really good.
What was your favorite activity? I know you were away in boarding school for.
Yeah, I went to boarding school when I was 6. I was there till I was 13.
Yeah.
You have bittersweet memories of that time because obviously सबसे बड़ी बात उसमें जुदाई आ जाती है. So there was a lot of longing and missing each other. So जब हम मिलते थे, there were just lots of hugs and tears and you know, so everything becomes more intense. That's how I remember my childhood at that time, is that everything was very intense. The leaving her was intense, the coming back to her was very intense. And मेरे हिस्से में तो उनकी ज़्यादातर hugs आई हैं. तो that is something that अभी तक मेरे बच्चे मेरे साथ सोते हैं. I used to sleep with my mother, right? So right till the end we were sharing a bedroom. So अभी तक मेरे बच्चे मेरे, you know, my daughter is 13, my son is 10. अभी तक वो दोनों मेरे बिस्तर में होते हैं. And I think that's also a legacy of hers.
Legacy of hers.
कि, but you know, when I hug them or I hug Mahi, I keep thinking, oh my God, this is how she felt about me. You know, because औलाद जितना मर्जी प्यार कर ले माँ बाप को, माँ को जितना, she always loves you more. It is just amazing that their capacity to love, a mother's capacity to love, is just so great.
It's endless.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे बताएं कि tell me more about your show. I'm fascinated, and I believe that you're doing a bigger show even because
I hope so. I hope to. Like I said, this work needed to be done. It's not like my mother needs it. She doesn't need me to revive her memory. आप लोगों के दिलों में वो अब तक भी बिल्कुल कायम है. This is something I needed to do for myself as an artist, as a woman, my own journey through my life. Obviously, I'm older now, so I can relate a lot more to Noorjahan the mother, Noorjahan the woman. Noorjahan is a single woman who's struggling through the industry. So I have 2 little children. I've moved to Karachi. I've been living there 1 year now. So I find lots of parallels in her struggle as a woman and mine. Her interest, her concerns, her problems. They're all mine now. So ये एक जर्नी ऐसी थी कि जो कि मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी थी इस वक्त, और इससे मैंने बहुत सीखा भी है मूविंग फॉरवर्ड एट दिस जंक्चर इन माई लाइफ. सो या दैट्स वाई. और अब जबकि मैंने ये काम शुरू किया है, मुझे लगता है कि मैंने तो अभी तक इसकी शुरुआत की है. दिस इज़ जस्ट द बिगिनिंग. आई एम इन द थिक ऑफ थिंग्स. नाउ आई वांट टू डू बिगर वर्क. So I'm hoping कि लाहौर में I am able to find a venue which is able to give me the facility of a sound and light installation as well. Karachi में show Canvas Gallery पे था, which is one of our premier galleries of the country.
It's fantastic.
Samira is lovely. But it's an art gallery where I thought paintings would be better suited for that gallery. So in Lahore, I would like a bigger venue. In fact, I've been after Ali's life. Ali Sethi की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. मेरा बहुत जान है, वो मेरा दोस्त है. I've been after his life that I would like to do a concert along with the show. So I want this to be an entire encompass.
Experience.
Yes. So how can sound be missing from a show about her? So that is something I'd like to include. मैं चाहूँगी कि जब लगे तो आप लोग please ज़रूर आके देखिएगा.
Obviously, like no, I'm eagerly waiting.
Yeah, no, please invite me back.
Please invite me. No, I want to be invited to your show now, and I want to come and experience that.
Come and do chat with me there.
Yes. Acha, okay. So you were talking about, like, I mean, as I was saying that, you know, like your fashion and your makeup and just your entire family is just so beautiful, and like everyone's so talented. And now I believe that you are opening your own salon as well.
Yes, I am. So straight after the show, the idea is that within this bridal season, we call it the bridal season.
So every season.
Everywhere, yeah. But usually November, December, January, February, that's where all our weddings come together. So, Ji, now that the show has happened, definitely, yes, I'm going to open the salon now shortly. But please follow my Instagram, Nazia Jah Studio, for news on
Yes.
when the next show is
And
happening.
also
and the salon.
Facebook. Like,
Yes,
I
Facebook,
actually
Nazia
will
Jah.
write
Yeah,
the your Instagram handle here so everybody can
yes, please.
take a
So
look
if you
at
follow
that.
on Facebook and Instagram, I'll announce exactly when the salon's opening,
Yeah.
when I'm taking bookings, etc.
That's amazing.
And also the next show, which is going to be in Lahore.
Yeah,
So
which
I'll
I'm
give
super
details about
excited.
that. Yes, and I really want people to come and watch and be engaged with it.
Yes, I'm actually looking forward to it. So the
I
moment
think-
you have
Yeah,
dates,
no. I think that she belongs to all of us.
Yeah.
And we all need to experience it.
Yeah.
So it's not that I want to sell these paintings. I want people to come and see the
See
work.
them.
Artists की सबसे ज़्यादा ये ख्वाहिश होती है that the work gets seen.
Yeah, और दुनिया के देखिए.
और होता क्या है that work is usually stuck in galleries.
Yeah.
I would really love to bring work out of galleries and put it in the public domain.
Yeah.
So I'm a big proponent of public artworks.
Yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you,
and
Momina.
taking out the time. And I know you're so busy and you're spending time with your father in Lahore.
Yes.
And I wish you all the best. And I can't wait for your show and your salon and your saris and everything.
Yeah.
And you're wearing those beautiful saris as well. Even though it's so simple, it's just so effective. Like,
Thank
and
you.
You're absolutely beautiful. Such an honor talking to you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
And thank you for coming on.
It's been lovely being here, and thank you all for watching.
Yeah.
Please look out for me and my work now,
Yeah.
and come and see the work if you're here in the country. Otherwise, thank
Yeah,
you.
but like, thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the segment. It has been such a pleasure hearing about Madam Noor Jahan and not like literally first hand from her daughter. And please do let us know in the comments below what you guys thought. If any of you have a memory with Madam Noor Jahan, please let us know in the comments below. If you have any other questions, let me know and I will try and get Nazia Appa to answer them for us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family, and I'll see you next time. Take care.